Healthy eating habits that will change your life. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some healthy eating habits that can truly transform your life. You know that feeling, right? When you're just dragging, feeling sluggish, and your energy is zapped. What if I told you that what you eat can make a world of difference? We're not talking about crash diets or crazy restrictions here. It's all about making sustainable changes to fuel your body the right way. I'm talking about feeling amazing from the inside out. We'll break it down into simple, actionable steps that you can start implementing today. Let's get started. Okay, so imagine your plate as your canvas, and you're about to create a masterpiece of nutrition. You wouldn't just use one color, right? A balanced diet is all about incorporating a variety of foods from all the essential food groups. Think vibrant fruits and veggies packed with vitamins and antioxidants, lean proteins to keep you feeling full and energized, and whole grains for that steady release of energy. Now I know what you might be thinking. Dr. Mike, this sounds complicated, but trust me, it's easier than you think. Start by adding a colorful salad to your dinner or swapping out that sugary cereal for some oatmeal with berries in the morning. Small changes make a big difference over time. Think about it like this. Every time you eat, you have the power to nourish your body and provide it with the building blocks it needs to thrive. Alright, let's talk about the elixir of life, water. You know how your phone needs a full battery to function at its best? Well, your body needs water. Think of it as the ultimate life hack. It's calorie-free, readily available, and does wonders for your health. Aim to sip on water throughout the day. Keep a reusable water bottle with you as a reminder. Feeling tired in the afternoon? Skip the sugary soda and reach for a glass of water instead. You'll be amazed by how much better you feel. Dehydration can sneak up on you, leading to fatigue, headaches, and even affecting your mood. Pro tip: jazz up your water with some natural flavors like lemon, cucumber, or mint. It's a refreshing way to stay hydrated and makes it feel like a special treat. Chapter 3. Practice portion control. Let's talk about portion control. Now, I'm not saying you have to whip out measuring cups and scales at every meal. It's all about being mindful of your serving sizes. A helpful trick is to use smaller plates. It's a simple visual cue that can make a big difference. Another tip is to listen to your body. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're comfortably satisfied, not overly stuffed. It takes about 20 minutes for your brain to register that you're full, so slow down and savor each bite. Eating should be an enjoyable experience, not a race to the finish line. Chapter 4. Limit processed foods. Now let's talk about those processed foods. You know the ones I'm talking about: the sugary snacks, the fast food, the packaged meals that are loaded with sodium and unhealthy fats. I get it, they can be tempting, but think of them as occasional treats rather than staples in your diet. These foods are often low in nutrients and high in empty calories, which can leave you feeling sluggish and craving more. Focus on incorporating whole, unprocessed foods into your diet as much as possible. Cook at home more often so you can control the ingredients and experiment with new, healthy recipes. Remember, you're in the driver's seat when it comes to your health. Chapter 5. Eat mindfully. Let's talk about mindful eating. This isn't about restricting yourself, it's about being present and in tune with your body's hunger and fullness cues. Put away the distractions, the phone, the TV, the laptop, and create a calm eating environment. Pay attention to the taste, texture, and aroma of your food. Chew slowly and savor each bite. You'll be surprised by how much more you enjoy your meals when you're fully present. This practice can also help you recognize when you're actually hungry versus eating out of boredom or stress. It's all about creating a healthy relationship with food. Healthy habits for a healthier you. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time. Start incorporating these healthy eating habits into your routine, and I promise you'll start to feel amazing. It's all about making sustainable changes that you can stick with for the long haul. You've got this. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video.